देखिए मिस्टर ईथन, एरिया ऑफ अ पैरेललोग्राम। ठीक है। तो गुरु पहले तो ये देखिए, ये जो सारी इंग्लिश लिखी है ना यहाँ पर, ये सब नहीं पढ़ने का। ये देख देख के डरते रहोगे। समझ आया? तो बेसिक फॉर्मूला एरिया ऑफ अ पैरेललोग्राम क्या होता है? क्या? एरिया ऑफ अ पैरेललोग्राम क्या होता है? एरिया ऑफ अ पैरेललोग्राम फॉर्मूला। ठीक है। तो ये समझ आया? आप जब भी टेक्स्ट बुक में देखते हो ना, जैसे एरिया ऑफ अ पैरेललोग्राम, तो ये सब इंग्लिश देखते रहोगे तो परेशान होते रहोगे। सबसे पहले कभी भी आप पढ़ रहे हो तो उसमें देख लीजिए फॉर्मूला क्या लिखा हुआ है। एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम क्या होता है? बेस इंटू कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग हाइट। पहले फॉर्मूला ढूंढ लीजिए, न्यूमेरिकल्स कर लीजिए, उसके बाद कभी मूड करे तो इंग्लिश पढ़िए। एकदम इंग्लिश पढ़ेंगे तो समझ ही नहीं आएगा, डर जाएंगे देख के। तो हमें क्या चाहिए? एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम बेस इनटू कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग हाइट। अब कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग हाइट का मतलब क्या होता है मिस्टर ईदन? बोलिए। देखिए राजकुमार ईथन, ये है बेस। इसकी जो कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग हाइट है वो है ये समझ आया आपको? तो आप एरिया कैसे निकाल सकते हैं? बेस इंटू कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग हाइट। ये बात आपको समझ आई? मुश्किल है? मुश्किल है। बट एक चीज और आप ध्यान से देखिए, जिससे काफी न्यूमेरिकल्स होंगे आपके। वो ये है कि इवन दिस इज द बेस। You can tilt the parallelogram. Then this will become the base, and this will become the corresponding height. समझ आया ना? पैरेललोग्राम को आप टेढ़ा कर दीजिए। मेक सेंस? Now the area of a parallelogram would remain the same. So area of this pen would remain the same. अगर ये ऐसा है और ऐसा है तो सेम ही तो रहेगा। Tilting a shape doesn't change the area of a figure. Are we okay about this? Have we understood this? So tilting the figure won't change the area of a figure. We should be clear about this. Hmm? So if the area of a parallelogram is 72 centimeter square, then even if I tilt the figure, it would remain 72 centimeter square. Have we understood? देखिए फिर से देख लीजिए. So area of the parallelogram is 12 into 6, 72 centimeter square. Yeah. Now I can tilt the parallelogram. Then this will become the base. And this would be the corresponding. You know the meaning of altitude? Altitude is the height. है ना? So let me call this as h. So even if I tilt the parallelogram, the area would remain the same. So 72 would be equal to 8 into the corresponding height. So h would be equal to 9 centimeter. Does it make sense? So two sides of a parallelogram are 12 centimeter and 8 centimeter. If the altitude corresponding to the side of length 12 centimeter is 6 centimeter long. Have you understood this line? भाई altitude बोल लीजिए इधर या height बोल दीजिए, it is one and the same thing. Any doubt about this? So there again, this corresponding side, you can call this as base also, it doesn't matter. Base, side, altitude, height, one and the same thing. So in the question, you'll be seeing both the things being used. Any doubt? Any doubt? So if the altitude corresponding to the side of length 12 centimeter is 6 centimeter, Find the length of the altitude corresponding to the site 8 centimeter. So you have to find the altitude corresponding to the side which is 8 centimeter. Have you understood? Any doubt till here? Yeah. So two things we learned. One is area of a parallelogram is equal to base into corresponding height. That is the first thing. Second thing that we learned was ki, yeah, you take any figure. It is not about parallelogram. You can take a rectangle. You can tilt the rectangle like this, or you can tilt the rectangle like this. You can change the shape. The area of a rectangle won't change by tilting the figure. Similarly, if you have taken a parallelogram like this, I can make this parallelogram like this. I can tilt it. The area would remain the same. So, at another thing that you can remember is that this is a property of parallelogram, that the diagonal bisects the parallelogram in two equal triangles. सो पैरेललोग्राम का जो डायगोनल है वो उसको दो इक्वल ट्रायंगल्स में बाइसेक्ट कर देता है. ओए इथन, वी नो द मीनिंग ऑफ बाइसेक्ट इन हाफ. So a diagonal will bisect a parallelogram in two equal halves. This is what they have written here, that area of each triangle is equal to half area of parallelogram, because this area of this triangle and this triangle is are equal. Basically, these two triangles are congruent. They are congruent. We have done congruency, na? So you will study, I think, in 8th class or ninth class. So parallelogram, each of the diagonal of a parallelogram would bisect the parallelogram in two equal triangles. भाई इथन कोई डाउट है? Any doubt? Now they have written two other formulas. Just let us go through these also. So this is another way of writing half base into height. They have written it as product of its legs. One and the same thing. So for example, I have a right angle like this. So इसका area क्या होगा? Would be equal to half base into height. So they have called this as the leg. So it is the same formula. उन्होंने एक नया terminology use की. Any doubt? And they have used another formula. If you want to remember, you can remember that area of an isosceles right triangle. Yeah. So what is an isosceles right triangle? So for example, I have a right triangle like this. This is a triangle whose these two sides are equal. So they have called this as isosceles right triangle. उसको बोल रहा है half into one of the equal sides. Another, see, this is the same formula. उसको b into b करके लिख लीजिए तो this would be equal to half b square. So one and the same thing. वो सिर्फ थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लिकेट कर दिया उसने. एनी डाउट? वो सब ये सब दिखा रहा है. इफ यू वांट टू स्टडी यू कैन स्टडी, बट अदरवाइज यू कैन इग्नोर. अच्छा, वन थिंग दैट वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड इज, मिस्टर ईदन, जब भी राइट ट्रायंगल होगा वी शुड ऑलवेज रिमेंबर पाइथागोरस. वी नो पाइथागोरस, क्लियर अबाउट इट. तो यूजुअली जब भी राइट ट्रायंगल आएगा बॉस, राइट ट्रायंगल में पाइथागोरस मोर और लेस लगती है. Any doubt? Yeah. Okay. So now, for example, there is a question like this. So usually students will get confused about this. If I have to find the area of this triangle, it would be half base into height. This is the height. So students get confused because in this case the height is outside the triangle. Usually students see the height inside the triangle, but it is one and the same thing. Any doubt? We'll be using this for next 3 4 years. Yeah. Now, for example, in question like this, you need to remember. So, for example, in this question, the same thing that we are discussing. In triangle ABC, BC is equal to 16. और राजकुमार अथर्व, भाई तू केमिस्ट्री की टेक्स्ट बुक भी देख सकता है, रेफर कर सकता है, क्वेश्चन गलत नहीं करना। आप कॉपी कर लो, कोई नहीं रोक रहा आपको। सो मिस्टर ईरन, ए बी सी, बी सी इज इक्वल टू 16, ए सी इज इक्वल टू 12, ये देखो, ए सी इज इक्वल टू 12, ओके। एंड ऑल्टीट्यूड ए डी, ये जो ऑल्टीट्यूड है दिस इज 6 सेंटीमीटर। फाइंड बी ई, ये देखो ये बी है। ऑल्टीट्यूड ऑन साइड ए बी। अभी एक बात समझो, द सेम थिंग वी हैव डिस्कस्ड। इफ आई हैव अ ट्राइंगल लाइक दिस, दैट इज व्हाई आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग यू दैट आई कैन टेक दिस ट्राइंगल, I can take this triangle ABC, then I can tilt this triangle in whatever form that I want. The area would remain the same. It won't change. Any doubt? So first what I'll do is I'll find the area of the triangle ABC. What would be the area of triangle ABC? तुझे नींद आ जाएगी इतन जैसे तू बैठा हुआ है। What is the area of a triangle? What is the base? What is the height? चुप करके बैठा रहेगा, नींद आ जाएगी मस्त। So this is the area of the triangle 48 centimeters square. Now I can tilt the triangle in any shape that I want. The area would remain 48 centimeters square. Any doubt about this? Now let me what I'll do is I'll make this AC as the base. I know my AC is 12. And let me make this B like this. Have you understood? Then this BE would look something like this. Ethan, have you understood? Now he has asked me to find BE. BE is perpendicular to AC. So in this case, half base into height would be equal to, any doubt? Mr. Ethan, I'm repeating the same thing for the last 20 minutes. Area of the figure would remain the same even if you tilt the figure. It doesn't matter. I can keep changing the base. The area would remain the same. Any doubt? So 2 6 the 12, h is equal to 6 8 the 48. So this would be 8. So this height is 8. Mr. Ethan, any doubt? you'll be able to find AB using the same. Now in this case, this would be the base and this would be the altitude. Oh, इधर समझ भी आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा? See, they are saying what would be the altitude on side AB. So AB पे देखिए ये जो altitude है, this would be the altitude. Then altitude is always at a 90 degree to the base. Altitude perpendicular are the same thing. So I can tilt the triangle in whatever shape I want. So for example, if I want to make this AC as a base, so I can tilt it like this. This would be the base and this would be the height. तो यार ट्राइंगल को मैं जैसे मर्जी चेंज करता रहूँ, डजेंट मैटर, उसका एरिया सेम रहेगा. एंड आई कैन फॉर द कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग बेस आई कैन फाइंड द ऑल्टीट्यूड. एनी डाउट? So now I've already told. So for example, if this is a right triangle, you will have to use Pythagoras. Most probably you'll have to use Pythagoras. So for example, in this question, if this is a right triangle, they might force you to use Pythagoras. So for example, see in this case, whenever you see a right triangle, there's a very high chance that you'll have to use Pythagoras. So for example, in this case, you have to find the area of triangle ABC. You have no, you have the base. Base is 39. What is the height? How will you find height? Oh, you'll have to use Pythagoras. 50 square minus 30 square का. भाई डाउट है क्या? शुड आई एक्सप्लेन? See, if I have to use Pythagoras, what will I do? Let me say this is h. So h square plus 30 square would be equal to 50 square. So h square would be 2500 minus 900. H square would be 1600. H would be 40. So this would be 40. And then I'll do half base into altitude and then I'll find the area of the triangle. Any doubt? But difficult questions हैं, आपको करने पड़ेंगे. See, another thing they are asking is the perimeter of triangle ABC. Now you have 9, you have 30, you have 50, you don't have this side. How will you find this side? There, what you will do is this would be 40 square plus 9 square. Have you understood? बोल भी राजकुमार अथर्व. सारा हो गया? सारा पेपर हो गया? और सारा पेपर करना है गुरु. सारा पेपर करना है विदाउट चॉइस. सारा पेपर करना है. So 40 square plus 9 square. So this would be, you'll have to find square root 1681. हाँ, इसका स्क्वायर रूट निकालना पड़ेगा. फिर वो जो स्क्वायर रूट यहाँ पर आएगा, देन यू विल हैव टू ऐड 50 प्लस 30 प्लस 9 प्लस रूट 168 है ना, एंड देन यू विल फाइंड द पेरीमीटर. एनी डाउट? ओ भाई इथन समझ आ रहा है या नींद आ रही है? बढ़िया, मतलब भाषण चल रहा है, ठंडी हवा चल रही है, मस्त. कोई डाउट है? Okay. So you can try to do questions till here 15, because after that they have started this rhombus etc. Ignore rhombus for a while. Ignore rhombus for a while. So try to do questions till 15. Yeah, understood. Till 15. 1 5 till 15. Yeah, start.